On the interior of the Grand Cherokee L, we wanted to create something that was new and different, moved beyond where today's Grand Cherokee was. There are a lot of things that we put into that. So for example, it's more of a horizontal layout. The instrument panel is structured so that you get a more open feeling of spaciousness. The way the entire instrument panel leans away from you in a way also improves the feeling of spaciousness. The combination of the width, which is created by the wing and the mid-bolster, and then the speed created by the center console flowing up into the instrument panel, it creates a unique spatial feeling where the interior is moving around you, but it doesn't feel obtrusive. It feels open and spacious. We're creating a new Jeep family lineup form language, and so this is the first of many vehicles that will share the architectural setup of the instrument panel, and so we wanted to create something that we could adapt to different sizes, different segments, something that would lend itself to having different looks, so different executions, but still feeling like it was in the same family. So you'll see that also in future products, that similar form language and similar execution of details and materials. In the Grand Cherokee L, we really looked at all three rows equally. We wanted to make sure that no matter where you were in the vehicle, you had a nice, comfortable space. So in the third row, we sculpted the seats in such a way that they waterfall, at the bottom cushion. So they're super comfortable for you, no matter your height, your stature. We find when we look through the industry, even luxury car makers sort of forget about the third row, and it's just like this sea of black plastic. But we really wanted to take the time and attention to not only make it comfortable, but to design it in a way where all of the surfaces are soft. All of the nice leather-wrapped parts have beautiful stitching, or the sculptural wood. All of that stuff is there to create this feeling of artisanship. And then we contrast all of those artisan-like elements with the functional items. So the screens and the displays, straight to the point, black glass and metal. It has a very clean, very modern appearance. But then the other functional elements are, all of the storage bins, the door pockets. We really wanted to be able to take these functional items, have them organized, easy for customer use, and then surround those with all of these beautiful elements, the leather, the wood. It's the beauty that you notice first, but we don't take away from any of the functional elements. So they're hidden in plain sight in this piece of art.